Yo, yo, yo! This is ADR here. It has been a while since we have vlogged, and we are back! It's been 1 month, exactly 1 month too. And we just got done with some practice, jigaboo. And we are tired. We love you, even though you're not here. So,
Love
yeah.
you a long time.
What do you have to say, jigaboo?
I need a song right now.
Okay.
Can you help me?
Yeah, we're looking for a song right now for Alex. So, Monty, what do you gotta say?
I don't talk like that.
What do you gotta say?
Tired. We just got done with Alex's routine. Woo! And started
I'm on one.
Isaac's routine.
I got like 10 seconds left.
Oh.
Yeah, I got 10 seconds left. And whoa.
Heck, man.
Yeah, this is the basement of his house. Not the basement, but the room. And I didn't even know she was even doing that.
Routine to that song, just the bridge.
And woo!
Really?
So
Yo.
yeah, it's been a while, and yeah. Okay. Well,
Oh.
yeah, just nothing much. Just school,
There's this popping.
and yeah. So that's all. Yep. EDR misses you guys, and I'm pretty sure you guys miss EDR too. Tomorrow's gonna be midweek, so yeah, we're gonna be there. And,
I think I want to add this song in and cut the.
So, yep, that's all.
Yeah.
Just
that ghost song's really long.
like it, comment it, and rate it.
Like 50?
So, okay, that's all.
Like
Bye bye. Peace out.
minutes.
Say bye bye, guys.
Like 50 seconds back.
Say bye bye.
Peace out. Yeah. Homeboy index.